Once upon a time, there lived a young boy named Koji. Koji was always curious about the world around him and sought answers to life's big questions. One day, he heard about the wise Zen master who lived atop the tallest hill in the village. Determined to learn from the master, Koji climbed up the hill and found the Zen temple where the master resided. With eager eyes and a hopeful heart, Koji approached the master and asked, "Master, how can I find Zen?" The master, a gentle old man with a twinkle in his eye, smiled at Koji's enthusiasm. 10 years, he replied calmly. Koji's determination only grew stronger. "But what if I work even harder, master? How soon can I find Zen then?" The master paused for a moment before answering, 20 years. Confused but undeterred, Koji persisted, "Master, what if I devote myself entirely to the practice? How long would it take then?" With a wise nod, the master replied, 30 years. Koji's spirit sank, and he couldn't help but express his confusion. "Master, I don't understand. The more I promise to work hard, the longer it seems to take. Why is that?" The master looked at Koji with a serene smile. "When you have one eye fixed on the goal, you have only one eye on your path," he explained gently. Koji pondered the master's words for a moment, realizing the wisdom hidden within them. He understood that focusing solely on the end result wouldn't lead him to true understanding. Instead, he needed to embrace the journey itself, with all its ups and downs. Imagine you're climbing a big, tall tree. Your goal is to reach the top to grab the ripe, juicy fruit waiting there. But here's the thing, if you keep looking up at the fruit and thinking about how delicious it will taste when you finally get it, you might lose your balance and fall. Instead, focus on each step you take as you climb. Pay attention to where you place your hands and feet, feel the rough bark under your fingers, and breathe in the fresh air around you. Enjoy the process of climbing, knowing that with every step you're getting closer to your goal. In life, it's like climbing that tree. If you focus too much on the reward at the end, you might miss out on the journey itself. So whether you're learning something new, practicing a skill, or working towards a goal, remember to focus on the effort you put in along the way. Enjoy the process, learn from it, and celebrate every step forward you take. Because sometimes, the true reward lies in the effort itself.